for our second na special product, we call this square of a binomial. So just write the title here. Square of a binomial. Binomial, ibig sabihin dalawa yung terms. So sulat ko muna yung formula. So if you have A plus B, then you're going to square it. So plus to, no? So all you have to do is to square the first term twice the product of the two, and then square the last term. If it's minus, to minus din, minus. Kapag minus, square the first term, and then subtract twice the product of the two, and then ganun ulit, square the last term. So, paano ginagamit itong special product na to? Let's try with number 33 muna. For number 33, it's x plus 8 squared. So, pag ganito, pwede nyo pala itong gawing no? Parang ganito. X plus 8 times x plus 8. Tapos gawin yung first part natin yung dinidistribute or yung FOIL method. So, para hindi nyo na daw gawin yon sa part na to, so we can use directly the special product. So, ano yung sabi? Kung plus to, so we'll be using this one. Square the first. Square the first. So, ang first natin dito is x. So, ang square ng x is x squared. Plus, twice the product of the two. So, lagi siyang may 2 dyan. And then, kunin mo yung first term, which is x. Kunin mo yung second term, which is 8. Or plus 8. So, 8 na lang dyan. And then, plus square of the last term. So, ang last term natin is 8 and then square it. Simplify lang natin. You have x squared plus 2 times x times 8. So, yung 2 at 8 lang yung pwede mag-multiply dyan, no? 16. And then, just put x there. And then, plus 8 squared, which is 64. And this is your final product or yung expanded form natin. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try number 37. For number 37, it's 2x plus 3. O, plus ulit to, no? So, we'll be using again this one. Anong sabi sa special product natin? Square the first. So, ang first natin dito is 2x. Have to square it. Plus twice. So, laging may 2 doon. The product of the two. So, yung una natin is 2x. Yung sunod natin is 3. And then, finally, we're going to square the last, which is 3. Square that. So, simplify lang natin. 2x squared. Ibig sabihin nan, 2x times 2x. So, 2 times 2, that's 4. Or square mo yung 2, that's 4. And then, x times x, that's x squared. Plus, dati mo multiply, no? 2 times 2, that's 4. Times 3, that is 12. Plus 12x. So, may x pa doon, no? So, kasama natin, ilalagay natin siya doon. Plus 3 squared, that's 9. Okay, so finally, this is our expanded form or yung product ng 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. Mag-try naman tayo ng minus. So, let's have number 35. For number 35, that's x minus 10 squared. Anong sabi sa ating special product? So, itong pangalawa na yun, no? Square the first. So, that is x squared. So, minus twice yung first natin, which is x, and then yung second natin, which is 10. Ngayon, kung mapansin nyo, hindi ko na kinonsider yung minus nung 10 kasi diba sabi ko kanina sa first video, kung ano yung nasa left side niya, that will be its sign. But in this case, yung special product natin, naka-divide na siya kapag minus yon, minus na to. Tapos wag mo manang pansinin yung sign nung mismong term na yon. And then, finally, plus, kung ano man, kahit minus yon, plus pa rin, then square natin yung 10. Okay? And then, let's simplify. X squared, and then 2 times 10. Do not forget the minus there, 2 times 10. That will become minus 20x. Minus 20x. And then 10 squared, that's 100. And there you go. This is our expanded form. Let's have another one. Let's try this one, number 46. That's 5b minus 3c squared. 5b minus 3c squared. Again, according to our formula, we have to square the first. It's 5b squared minus twice the product of the two. Minus 2 times 5b. Do not get the sign of 3c. So 3c na lang yan. Then finally, plus square yung last. Okay, square natin to. So 5 squared, that's 25. And then yung b, magkakaroon siya ng squares. And then we will multiply this. 2 times 5, that's 10. 10 times 3, that's 30. Do not forget the minus sign, minus 30, and then BC. Kabit natin yung BC. Plus, square of 3C, square nung 3, that's 9. Square nung C, C squared lang. Yan, C squared. Okay, and finally, wala ka nang pwedeng i-combine dyan. This is your final answer. Okay? So for this set of exercises, I want you to work on, pause nyo na lang yung video, no? Work on, sige, 37, 32, 39, we already, nagawa na pala natin yung 37. So wag natin 37, 32, 34, 36, 38, 41, 42, and then 47, 48. Hindi pala 47. Ito na lang pala. Yan, 45, 47. So lahat lang na may bilog for the second part, that is squaring a binomial.